Midwest Picker on YouTube.
Hey, Midwest Picker here. On my way to Burley Park Flea Market, Howard City, Michigan. Probably the biggest flea market in Michigan, I think. It's Labor Day 2025. Going to look for some treasures. I'm turning over a new leaf. I'm not walking up to vendors anymore saying, "What will you take for all of it?" I used to do that, and then I get stuck with a death pile for 5 years. So I'm going to try to be a little more particular, a little more picky. It's a beautiful day, 80 degrees. It's going to be 80 degrees. It's 59 right now, sunny, beautiful. Got to have a good old time. So I'm going to shoot video with my phone. I don't have the GoPro, the strap on today, just the phone. And then when I get back to the eBay office, I'll show you what I got, if anything, and then some comps on what I think I can get for it. So it gives you an idea when you're out sourcing what to buy and what you might get. So let's go. All right. Got my security blanket. Burley Park 2025. Labor Day. Mrs. Midwest.
Maybe. Here's what the Mary and Joseph is here. The Mary and Joseph.
That does work. I tested it with my phone. It's a wireless keypad. Yeah, it's really cool. I'll do $89.99.
Under $90. I know, right? What a deal.
I know. I just lowered it too. Yeah.
I'll follow you. This is your head. With us? it's early in the day yet, though, you know what I mean? Yep. 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 It's early right now. Yep. Yeah. Right. Yep. Yeah.
How much is your
£8. Your mom's house or her mom's house? Oh, okay. Yep. Okay, got it. Yep. Okay. Right. So you can take.
I play a pretty good breakfast sandwich, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, do you?
That's a lot to drag around.
How would you like to pack all this up and bring it back home? Miles and miles of stuff.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got another set at home. And I thought, geez, I gotta do something. What does a man want, right? Look, first one at an auction sale, I give a couple down for it. With an old picture and this they're pretty cool, aren't they? It's a special wood they make them out of. I can't remember what it is now, but I wrote it down in the whole thing way out here.
He was going to buy it, but I don't know why he didn't. But he said that if he did, he was going to turn it into a clock. He wanted to like drill a hole right.
All right, we're back in the eBay cave using my arm as a selfie stick because I'm too cheap to buy one. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to show you some comps on the screen. Some of them are ballpark, not exact, but it gives you a general idea of what I should get. And it was a great day. Great people. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let's check out what I bought. All right, first item is this dealer brochure, kind of thick. You know, when you go to dealership to look at a new vehicle, they got all these color brochures. This is a 1997 Chevy pickup, only $3, pretty cool. If you know tools, you know the snaps. These are snap-ons, big and heavy, huge sockets. Look at the size of that. It's like a boat anchor, massive. I think that's a 1-inch drive, maybe 3/4. 3/4. Guy wanted $25 a piece. Asked him if he'd take 40 for both. He said yes. So check out these comps. This one I forgot to look up comps. If there are any, check them out. These sockets here are Craftsman. These are $1 a piece. They're like brand new condition. Never buy sockets that are rusted or the chrome is flaking off. Nobody will buy them. I might keep these for myself. I don't know. Next is this pack of underwear, probably stolen from a Kohl's employee. $10. If you shop for men's briefs, unmentionables, undergarments, brand new in the package. These suckers are expensive. 40, 50 bucks a pack. I don't understand it. These were $10. I'll either keep them or sell them. I don't know. Here's some Amish peanut butter squares. These are going in my stomach. So these are cool. These are film reel cans. Eastman Kodak. Pretty cool. Make nice wall hangers, decorations. I got 4 of them. 14.5 inches or 37 centimeters. I don't know. I call it 14.5 inches. The guy wanted $5 a piece, and he had 60 of them. Old Dave would have said, "What do you want for all of them?" I would have spent all my money at one vendor. New Dave, I'm not doing it because I don't want these sitting in my office for the next 7 years. So I just bought 4, but I figured $5 a piece ain't bad. So here's some comps. So who knows? Finding a box this size can be challenging. 15 by 15 by 3 inches. You have to probably Frankenbox and make your own boxes out of Amazon boxes. Not a problem. So that's the video, guys. Not a ton of stuff. I'm going to sell this, sell this, sell this, keep this. Did pretty good. I didn't go crazy. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.